So here we are with the shocker automation panel that Phantom Electric has installed, and they've roughed in all their wires. And what we strongly recommend is rough all your 110 voltage on one side of the panel, and then rough in all your low voltage 24 volt, all your cat on the other side of the panel or at the bottom of the panel. And what we do is make it so that we design our panels basically so that you can have all your 110 connections up at the top of the panel and all your 110 connections on the one side, and make it so that all your low voltage is on the bottom, all your termination blocks that you're going to be terminating into. And this makes it so that the inspectors come down, take a look at the system and see that everything is isolated and very convenient for a quick installation and a safe installation. Okay, here we are with a back band that's about to be installed on a brand new home in Sedgwick, Alberta. And one of the biggest questions we get asked from people who are buying our panels is, I've got all these wires hanging from the panel, and how do I get the back pan in there? So one of the first things I recommend that you do is you take off your wireway at the top and at the bottom. That way that's out of the way and makes it extremely easy to slip the back pan in. And what we're going to do is remove these from the top and bottom so that it makes it very convenient for the back pan to be slipped into the panel area. So now we've removed our cable ducting from the bottom and the top, making it easier to install in our panel box. And this is our shocker automation package number 5 that we're installing here. And what we've got here is a system that is already programmed for your lighting, your heating. You can program it for your blinds, for your irrigation. The LuxHome system is designed to control your whole home. And that's what we'll be doing on this site, and you'll see many videos over the next little while on how we're controlling this home and how you can have a cost-effective system installed in your home and have the modern home. So next stage is putting the back pan into the panel. So now we're going to install the back pan in this panel. And now we've mounted our back pan in our shocker automation panel, and now it's time to start terminating our connections and getting this home running with our LuxHome system.